Show you something real quick. So this is kind of part of a step-by-step process I'll be sharing with you that's really specific about how to like engage pre-enrollees and people who enrolled at free affiliate or even direct or executive, and you make a connection. How do you like make it really go? And I'll be helping you guys with this stuff, but it's important to understand that if you do it too and you're helping us bird dog for successful top producers, is going to go even much faster. So for example, I connected today with somebody who just enrolled from the new lead source. His name's Mark. And hi, Mark, if you're listening out there. I just want to show you, like, he did a group chat with somebody named Stephanie who he works with at his place of employment. She became a pre-enrollee, and so he did a group chat with me, him, and Stephanie, and just said, "Hi, Steph, I want to introduce you to Mike." And so now I'm going to come in and leave a message for Stephanie. And this is the kind of stuff you want to start doing. I don't know what Stephanie's seen or not, and I'm not going to wait to find out. I'm going to create a connection. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use audio to do it. Hi, Stephanie. It's Mike Klingler, and I work with Mark. Mark wanted to introduce us and see if you had any questions or anything. He had referred you to our system with MyDailyChoice. And look, I know, at this point you probably don't know much about it at all. I don't know if you've been able to watch any of the videos or not. But I just want to let you know that, I'm very successful with this, and you're not alone. Mark's not alone. Like, I help people get to an income. So if it's something you want to do on the side, I know you don't know much about it just yet. I just want to let you know that I was here, and I'm here to answer any questions. If you want to get back there and watch some of the videos and set up a time, I'm not here to sell you on doing anything you don't want to do. It's not what this is about. So I just wanted to be clear, because there's a lot of stuff going on out there very different from what we do. It's an amazing company. It really helped me. The product had dramatically. I can share that with you later. And it really is spectacular, but it has to be the right timing, and it has to be something you want to do. So if it's something you're interested in, I just want to let you know I'm here to help you and Mark be really successful with it. So just let us know if there's a time you want to connect. If you've been able to watch any of the videos back there, let me know, and we can connect sometime. All right, looking forward to meeting you, Stephanie. So, I don't even know what I'm going to say when I connect. You can always hit cancel and re-record, but don't overthink it, guys. Don't overthink it. We're building a network. We're building a relationship. People don't know what's going on. You got to let them know. And you can say something like that. You can say, I just want to let you know you're not alone here. We've got a whole team here willing to help you. And I know you might not know much about it yet, but as you learn about this, I'm pretty sure you're going to be pretty excited about it. If you're not, that's okay too. I just want to give you an opportunity, an opportunity to see what this is all about. So just let me know if you have any questions. Now, because I left that message, Stephanie's now 100 times more likely to watch the videos. And even if she had watched the videos, because I left this message, she's now 100 more times likely to pay attention while she's watching those videos and to come back to Mark with a few thoughts or ideas. Because a world is opening up to her. Now there's this guy, Mike, who comes in, it's connecting and willing to be available, who's coming off genuine and authentic, which is real, and not salesy. And so it disarms so that they open up to actually receive the information so much faster and so much more openly. Does that make sense? So that's what I encourage you guys to start trying to do, attempting to do. And I want to like check in with you guys pretty soon, like on those goal and action planning workshops that we're doing, and listen to some of those messages you sent and have conversations. And I want to start seeing you guys not be afraid anymore. Not be afraid at all. Not be afraid to make mistakes. Not be afraid to say the wrong thing. And just to move forward. There's so many wonderful people out there. It's Disneyland out there, guys. It's Disneyland out there. And I get like some of us are caught up in apprehension and like anxiety and worried about what people think of us. Yeah, that was a big part of my early part of my life. Like, I understand it. One of the most beautiful things about all of this, one of the most beautiful things about having an amazing company that you can have confidence in, and having a product line that you love, and having a company that it's got your back, and having a team supporting you. One of the coolest things about all of this is that it gives you the confidence. If you just step up on the platform, it gives you the confidence. If you lean in on all of that, to truly just be yourself, go out there and do what was always available to all of us at any given time, and that is just express ourselves openly, connect openly, and go in and create an amazing life. In this case, getting compensated for sharing the vision and the products of a company. It doesn't have to be a big deal. It can be really fun and really quite simple.